I wonder if there is a GPT to write YouTube intros that grab a viewer's attention right from the start. Welcome back to my series on automating YouTube success in 2024 using GPTs found in the store. In this video, I'm focusing on the YouTube Intro Writer, a specialized tool to hook viewer attention from the very first second and write the perfect start to your video based on the video transcript. Let's explore how I'm automating YouTube influence in 2024. And once recorded, I take the transcription and I put it through the Transcript Abridger to get my summary and an analysis. From there, I then go and generate a YouTube title using a ChatGPT bot. With that preliminary work out of the road, I'm then in a position to create my YouTube intro. And to do that, I use the YouTube intro generator. Now, the role of this bot is to generate tailored YouTube intros. The overview is that it can work with a transcript directly, or it can work with a summary or an analysis. The main guidelines is that it creates concise, informative, and compelling intros. The marketing frameworks, which in this case are either PAS or AIDA, are really just psychological triggers to get people engaged with your content pretty early. So we've got the Problem-Agitate-Solution framework, or we've got the Attention, Interest, Desire, Action framework. Now, from a structure point of view, we have concepts like problem-solution, which is one of the ones I like to use, where there is a problem and I've got a solution that I've developed. I'm also fond of the Q&A style, but other people might like more of a storytelling style. And the idea of the bot is that you would configure it with the niche, the topic, which might just be your YouTube title, some keywords, and then basically the marketing framework and structure that you want. Using this sort of configuration and the transcript helps you then generate the intro. Over to my GPTs and we'll click on the Intro Maker, create engaging educational YouTube intros, and we'll just click on the commands to see what we've got available. And you can see we can configure it, we can create an intro based off a draft. We can also get some definitions around the marketing framework and the intro structures if you need. So I've just put in the config command. I've said chat GPT for coding. That's what the video happened to be about. The PAS marketing framework Q&A style, and let's just see what this comes back with. So this is working on the idea that the niche will be ChatGPT for coding, using the Problem-Agitate-Solution framework, Q&A structure. The tone will be authoritative and engaging. And you can run a configure command again if you want to change what it says here. But for that, we can now move on to create, and we just type in create like this, press colon, and then we paste in all the information from the transcription. I also like to put in the title, so the title should be there as well. We got title, unlock the power of GPTs, and we just press enter, and we see what we get on the first attempt. So it's written an introduction for us, and the one that's here is, hello and welcome to today's video where we're unlocking the incredible potential of GPTs, focusing on a unique tool, the shell script helper for ChatGPT. And then it goes on from there. Now, the intro it's created in this example is quite accurate, but it's also way longer than I would want to do for an intro. With a little bit of configuration with that GPT agent, you can get an intro that follows the style and pattern that you want. And the one I went for that video was, do you want to simplify the way you build terminal scripts? Join me on this unique scripting adventure where I'll be using custom GPT shell script helper. So this little intro, it's quite short and to the point, and it was generated out of that bot with a little bit of extra tweaking. Thank you for joining me in this look at one of the GPTs I use to streamline content creation on YouTube. To dive deeper and discover how I leverage a GPT swarm targeting YouTube automation, check out my detailed video, 7 GPTs to Automate YouTube Influence in 2024. Just click the link on the screen or in the description. If you are interested in more innovative AI tools for YouTube, don't miss out on my Custom GPTs playlist where I showcase a variety of GPT-powered solutions. I'm AppyDave. Thank you for watching.